Now we're going to show you the functionality that we bring to the table with our column and boom. This system is designed to be extremely flexible in how it's laid out in your shop. Let's say that you want to have dual headstocks where the headstocks are parallel, like we have in this system. So obviously, if we're going to have two headstocks setting parallel, we need to be able to rotate the column so that we can weld on both headstocks. We're going to need to be able to raise and lower the boom based on the OD of our pipe or whatever we're welding. And then we're going to need to be able to extend and extract the boom based on what we're welding as well. So I'm going to have Samantha run us through all of those functions. If you would, raise the boom up for us a little bit. So these are all controlled by a variable frequency drive. We set these to be at a very safe speed. So she can raise and lower this boom. And now we can extend the boom or bring it back inside as well. The other feature we have here is cart travel. This cart that holds all of our welding equipment will obviously travel the length of your spool. This customer is buying a system that's going to have a 50-foot travel so they can weld double random lengths of pipe. If you would, Samantha, let's run this back and forth a little bit. This is on a rack and pinion drive, and again, it's a variable frequency drive so that we can adjust that speed. We have it set at a very safe speed so that we are mindful of your operators in your shop. Last but not least, we're going to show you the rotation function of our column. Now, the rotation cannot be done from the remote pendant. It can only be done from the operator console. So Samantha's going to rotate the boom or the column for us so that we can show you exactly how easy it is to go from one side to the other. We have wrapped the cables in such a way that they never bind up, and it gives us this functionality so that you can quickly go from one side to the other. The purpose for this is very simple. While we're welding on headstock A that's behind me, we could have an operator or a helper loading and unloading headstock B. And that way, as soon as I'm done with the pipe spool on A, I can rotate the column around and I can strike off. Again, our goal is to have you at a really high efficiency and effectiveness rate while you're fabricating pipe using the ready-to-weld system. And that's the functionality of our cart, our column and boom. Again, showing you that with ready-to-weld, you have the ability to modify and create a system and layout that works best for you.